In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download music from YouTube as MP3 file on iPhone and Android. We're using YouTube Studio's built-in audio library, which lets you grab copyright-safe tracks straight to your phone without extra apps. Everything you download comes as an MP3. Perfect for videos, podcasts, or background music. Start by opening Safari if you are on iPhone, or Chrome if you are on Android. In the address bar, type studio.youtube.com and go. If your phone tries to open the YouTube app, cancel that prompt, reload the page, and choose Continue to Studio so you stay in the browser. You will see a desktop-style page. Pinch and zoom out until you can view the full layout. Then look for the left-hand menu. In that left menu, tap the music or audio library icon. This is the section where YouTube provides a large collection of free tracks and sound effects. The great part is that these are designed for creators, so they're safe to use in your projects. Some tracks may ask for credit in your description. When that's the case, you will see a note about attribution. Just keep an eye on that so you use each track correctly. Now it's time to find your music. You can browse the list or use the search bar at the top to look for a specific vibe, artist, or keyword. When a track catches your eye, tap the play button to preview it. Take a moment to listen all the way through if you can. This helps you understand the intro, the energy in the middle, and how it ends, which is super helpful when you are matching music to a video or voiceover. When you've found the track you want, swipe to the right side of that track's row to reveal the download button. Then tap Download. The MP3 will save directly to your phone's storage. On iPhone, check the Files app, usually in the Downloads folder. On Android, look in your Files or Downloads folder as well. From there, you can import the track into your favorite video editor. Add it to your project timeline. Or organize it in a folder so you can find it quickly later. That's it. You've just downloaded free music from YouTube Studio to your phone as an MP3. It's fast. It's safe, and it keeps your projects sounding polished. Remember to respect any attribution notes shown for a track, and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching.